What's up, everybody? This is Pak1E. I didn't come to play the game, I came to change it. Forever. Let me tell you something most people don't know. For decades, the United States government has restricted American citizens from participating in international lotteries. The regulatory bodies mandated that foreign lotteries could only attract citizens outside of America. American lottery was kept as a closely guarded secret, controlled, limited, and locked away from the global market. Billions of people around the world with smartphones in their hands had no access until now. PWE has joint ventured with PlayLottoGlobal to break down those barriers. Through our PWE Claw technology, we have formulated an integration with the existing OpenClaw community, launching it through AI agents that connect people to opportunities they were never supposed to have. And now our PWE Hermes agent is introducing PlayLottoGlobal to the world. Every human being, every smartphone owner, every community can now take advantage of PLG. Here's how it works. PlayLottoGlobal gives you access to the biggest lottery jackpots on the planet. Powerball, Mega, Millions, Euro, Millions, UK, Lotto, El Gordo, Super and Lotto. 6 massive international lotteries, all from your phone. No matter where you live, you pick your numbers, you buy your tickets, and when those numbers hit, you win real jackpots, hundreds of millions of dollars. This is not a game. This is a global financial revolution. But we didn't stop there. PWE has developed satellite technology that can aggregate every smartphone on the planet. Our system can filter and categorize individuals from wealth demographics to age groups to geographic location. We know where the demand is. We know who needs opportunity, and we deliver it directly to their device. Now, let me tell you about the mission that drives everything we do. A portion of every transaction flows into charitable programs for homeless veterans, the men and women who served this country, who sacrificed everything. They deserve compensation. They deserve dignity. And through Play Lotto Global, every ticket purchased, every subscription activated contributes to giving back to those who gave the most. PWE Auto Trader handles Forex, crypto, and futures 24/7, generating real profits in real time while you sleep. No learning curve, no wasted hours. The AI does the work. You collect the money. Every PWE subscriber at every level. Basic at $97 a month, Pro at $297, and Premier at $29.97 one time. Gets trading signals and lottery tickets built right into their subscription. Share your personal QR code. One code works across all 6 products. When people join through your code, you earn 10 to 15% commission automatically. That's 6 products, one ecosystem. PWE Trading, Play Lotto Global, DigiRamp for intellectual property, 3D Mobile for next generation licensing, Traverse 3D TV across 169 countries, and V-Views for live mobile entertainment. American lotteries were kept as a secret. Now we are making those opportunities available to the global market.